Assalamualaikum and very thank you to all panels. Today I want to present you my research methodology and pre-project. My name is Ahmad Shazwie Azizie bin Muhammad Zulkifli. I'm from a 4th year student, so I want to present my topic for FYP1. So my topic is a seismic performance to stay cable bridge under seismic under earthquake loadings. So I go for introduction, which is earthquake. What is an earthquake? Earthquake is a shaking underground, which is happen below the soil level. So they are of natural mean of releasing stress under the ground. So earthquake can be felt over large area, although they are usually last less than 1 minute. And the earthquake cannot be predicted, although scientists are working on it. So why do earthquake happen? The earth crust or outmost layer is most made of one single piece of solid rock. It's actually made up of independent sheet of rock called tectonic plate. Earthquake occurred when the tectonic plate is moving. Even though the plate is moving the slow motion, each plate will slide and keep bumping to each other. So we have a few plate, which is we are from Southern Asia. The Indo-Australian plate is our region. So second, we have a Pacific plate, American plate, and Africa plate, and etc. So based on the earthquake happened in Malaysia, so the magnitude record since Kuala Tinggi, which is the highest magnitude we have happened in Peninsular Malaysia, which is 3.5 on 2007. And outside Malaysia, which is on East Malaysia, we have a Ranau Sabah, which happened recently in 2015, which is magnitude 5.9 magnitude. So I move to earthquake impact. The record have shown the earthquake in Kobe, Japan is 1995. It happened in scale 7.2 scale Richter on the February 27, 2010. 8.8 magnitude earthquake struck Chile, which is on the South American country. So I move to another introduction, which is the structure that I have decided to use, which is cable stay bridge. Cable stay bridge have emerged as the dominant structure system for long span bridge crossing. That success is due to a combination of technical advancement and pleasing aesthetic contributes. The cable stay are made from steel, cable, and RC concrete. So the superstructure behave as continuous beam and elastic support by the cables, which are connected to one to another tower. They are consist of 3 main structural subsystem, which is a stiffening girder, tower, and inclined cables. So as you can see, the layout of cable bridge mentioned and the figure 1.0. So a few problem statements are made, identified by me, which is first one is the the cable stay structure are not include the earthquake load, which is create the problem in the future. The second one is a vulnerability of a cable stay bridge to seismic effect. We want to figure out why what is the vulnerability effect. So the last one is structure capability of the building in Malaysia, which is able to resist earthquake without failure, which is very important to the future. So I move to objective number 1. The objective of this research is to study behavior of cable bridge under far-field earthquake and local earthquake. And the second one, we want to determine the characteristic of critical structure when the earthquake occurred based on recent earthquake. And the last one, as our objective, is to study dynamic characteristic of existing critical structure. The scope of study, which is I choose the structure that I have choose is stake cable bridge structure, which is I'm using the structure modeling and analysis by SIP 2000, which is version 2. Second one, I got data provide from Malaysian Meteorology Department, MMD, from as a data to connect with the magnitude have decided. So the load configuration, if I take live that and earthquake load, which is the earthquake load, I have been shown Aceh load and El Centro data, which is one on the Sumatra, Indonesia, and one of the I take from Chile, Southern American. So the type of analysis will be 3 part, which is a free vibration analysis. Second one is time history analysis, and the last one is the response spectrum, followed by API RP2A 2000. So what is the significance of the study? The significance of the study is to determine the seismic structure response of cable bridge, to implement the seismic design to a structure to prevent the structure failure. And then the last one is to aware the hazard and risk created by the earthquake. The study has been strengthened by a literature review, which is the first one is the October 2008. The recent study have been shown the performance based on the seismic evaluation for long span bridge in China, and the author is Yuan, Liu and Li, and I have been chosen by these two, which is in 2012, seismic design of cable bridge of South Bridge in Gualew, Ecuador. So I continue with methodology. The methodology is quite simple because we have only the modeling and structure. And the first we start and project planning, data collection, and then we continue with SIP 2000 modelings, and we continue with free vibration analysis, and then time history analysis, continue by response spectrum, and we get the result and discussion, and continue with conclusion and end of the method. So since we use SIP 2000, the software equipped by the all we want to use, which is the software can be used by to analyze all the earthquake load. So the cable stay have been the length of the span is 160 meter. The height of tower is top to bottom is 100 meter, and when we have show the detail on the deck section and tower. We have pylon section at top, pylon section at bottom. The design has been have been created. The camera section, and this is the layout. I mean the screenshot of the camera selection. So what we expect from the result is a mode shape of the cable stay bridge. maximum shear stress and bending moment, and joint displacement velocity acceleration under different load combination. As planning and scheduling, I have to decide with my supervisor to have a week meeting, which is once per week, so he can monitor my progress. So that's all for my presentation. I hope you understand. So Assalamualaikum and thank you.